Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Technical Forum of Hydrogen and Fuel Cells Europe at Hannover Fair 2022. Welcome also every online visitor. We have visitors who stream, so hello. I'm Bernhard Jekyll, I'm the moderator here on this technical stage, and I like to we like to present you very good information about the newest technology. And we have the first presentation is about standardized measurement of hydrogen quality. And the speaker is the founder and managing director of EMCEL. His name is Marcel Corneille. Please come on the stage.
Hello, good morning everybody. Thank you for joining this session. My name is Marcel Corneille from EMCEL Engineering. And the presentation doesn't work? Thank you. So EMCEL, just to give you a brief introduction, is an engineering company based in Cologne. We're about 25 people working on the field of hydrogen and quality measurement, and that's the subject I want to present you today. If you like, after the presentation, please visit us on booth number C24. And this is what it's about. This is our measurement device where we measure with. And I just jumped through this presentation. We are not only providing this measurement equipment, we also provide know-how and service and information for you. So together we could set up a proper measurement campaign from the first point of contact for you. When do you feel it to be necessary that you measure your hydrogen purity? So we do this development together in case it's needed. And we also provide, and that's maybe unique, we're not only selling our equipment, we also provide measurement service for you. So you don't have to buy expensive equipment. We come to you, we set up our equipment, and then together we decide how long your measurement campaign will be, for a couple of weeks, months, whatever. And then we provide the results to you, discuss together the results with you, and then you have all you need, and you don't need to take care of very complicated or whatever high-level measurement equipment. How does this thing work? We have two modules installed in our measurement core system, and these standards, these devices, the module 1, module B, you can choose from according to the substances you like to measure. And you have full access via mobile applications, via your laptop. You could control your device, your measurement, see and monitor your results anytime, everywhere, from anywhere in the world. So you don't need to be on site just because the equipment is on site. So for example, on your hydrogen refueling station or your electrolyzer or wherever your hydrogen storage, we set up the system, if you like, together with you, or you do it on your own. And then you have always full access to the device. You can control it, switch it on, switch it off, do reference measurements, etc. Just to give you an idea what we did in the past, some references, we measured for H2 Mobility, which is a German-based hydrogen refueling station operator. So we measured their fueling station and had a good idea together with them what impurities we see, how proper the fueling station is working in regards of hydrogen quality. So what we do is we measure continuously. We don't draw samples. Every once in a while, we measure continuously every 5 minutes. And so you have always constant feeling and overview of the quality of your hydrogen. When we say mobile application, we really mean it's mobile. We could also measure in a car, in a vehicle for development purposes. For car manufacturer, in this case, we developed a device that's based, that could be placed in a car, and you could really measure what hydrogen is going into the fuel cell. So you see anything that happens also in the car. So what's going on with an air compressor, for example, in your fuel cell? What really looks the tank, etc. So we could measure in a moving car while it's traveling and doing test laps in the city or on the highway, wherever. Why do we think continuously online measurement is important? If you look at this graph, this is just a sample drawing, but still it shows what it's about. So we have these, this is for example an limit that's allowed by whatever kind of standard, your own measures or international hydrogen quality standards. And if you draw samples and send these samples to a lab and analyze these samples, you only got snapshots. It's like a photo. You just take one photo of your process, of your system at a time, and you don't know what's happening just right before or after it. We do continuous measurement and we see really what's happening. And most of the processes we saw so far are really like living animals or creatures. These things are not continuously, these impurities. They're not standard leveled. They're not continuously. They go up and down regarding to the different processes. It's different while you refuel a refueling station when the truck comes and delivers hydrogen, or it's different, the hydrogen quality looks different when you compress your hydrogen and so on. So this is when you really see what's going on all day long, or every minute, every second. That's why we think it's important. We draw samples every 5 minutes. If you need it quicker, we can talk about it, we can be quicker. But so far, with 5 minutes, we thought that's a proper time frame, a proper frequency, since this is the time every single car needs on a refueling station. So you could really tell what kind of quality enters every single car. So in a nutshell, what we do is we measure on site, online. We draw samples every 5 minutes. We can detect impurities according to the standards. We can do even more, of course. Complex hydrocarbons like oils and grease. This is what we can do very well. We think better than others. It's a web-based application, so you have access to it anytime, anywhere. And it's a robust system that's feasible for indoor and outdoor. We measure in any weather condition. We can place it outside during rain and snow and summertime. Just install the system wherever you like, in your lab, but also outside. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. If you want to, visit us at booth C24, and thank you for your attention.
I'm sorry, I was a bit late. Are there any questions? Any questions? Now you have the chance to ask the questions right now. If you...
Thank you very much. I think you're a service provider, but do you sell your equipment for
Yes.
customers to use?
Yes, we do both things. We sell the equipment. We also provide services, whatever is fine for you. We want to meet your needs.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you for your presentation. How often do you need a calibration?
Yeah, calibration is always a big issue. We need to develop a proper calibration scheme together with your application. It's a matter of what substances you're looking at, what the quality or the detection levels are, etc. So please feel free to join us.
One more question? So if you want to see him at his booth is C24.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
very
lot
much.
for this great presentation.
Thank you very much.